Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. My dear student, today I am taking a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks part 2. My dear student, we shall solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fill in the blanks. Okay. So, my dear students, today is our lecture number 28 of annual term, and today's and there is a good news for you. There is no SW today. I repeat, there is no SW today. From this class, we don't have any SW in our YouTube class, but you must do your SI YouTube class regularly, okay? And your examination of annual term will be cancelled because you will be provided assignments. You will be provided assignments to for assessment, okay? So, my dear students, you will be provided assignment soon by your subject teacher. Okay, my dear students, now we shall start our class. First question is, notice, now question number 11, 105 minus 5 equal to what? It is so easy question. Notice, if I write here 101 minus 1, then what will be? The answer will be, if we subtract 1 from 1, then we get 0 and 0, 1. So, if I subtract 1 from 101, then I get 100. Similar way, notice, if I subtract 102, if I subtract 2 from 102, then I get, we subtract 2 from 2, we get 0, 0, 1. That means we get 100. So, similar way, we subtract 105 and 5. Okay. Now, if I subtract 5 from 5, then it will be 0. And this 0 is here and this 1 is here. So, notice, if I subtract 5 from 105, the answer will be 100. I hope you have understood. I repeat again. Notice, if I subtract 5 from 105, then I get 100. Okay. Next question is question number 12. Notice, 25 plus gap equal to 30. 25 plus gap equal to 30. My dear students, we need a number to add with 25 and we get 30. My dear student, if we want to solve this type of question, we subtract this 25 from this 30 and we get the answer. Notice here 30 minus 25. So, here 0 is smaller than 5. For these reasons, we take 1 and it will be 10. Now, we subtract 5 from 10 and we get 5. Okay. And carrying on, that 1 is added with this 1 and it will be 3. So, we subtract 3 from 3 and we get 0. So, if we subtract 25 from 30, then we get 5. So, the answer will be 5. Now, you notice, if I add 5 with 25, then I get 30. Okay? I hope you have understood. Okay, next question is, how many wheels do two tricycle have? My dear students, do you give me an example of tricycle? Yes, I hope you have understood because you are very smart learner. I have already know from your SW copy. So, my dear student, the example of tricycles are rickshaw, then CNG. Okay, I hope you have understood. These tricycles have 3 wheels. Okay. So, just like that, 2 tricycles is given, we need to find out the wheels of these 2 tricycles. Suppose you consider we consider 2 tricycles is 2 rickshaw. So, 2 rickshaw has how many wheels? 2 rickshaw has 3 and 3 and it will be 6 wheels. So, from this question we can answer that how many wheels do 2 tricycle have? The answer will be 6. Okay. Next one, Meena bought 1 dozen oranges. How many oranges did she buy? Notice, Meena bought 1 dozen oranges. How many oranges did she buy? Here the amount is in dozen. But you know that 1 dozen equal to how many things? If you know 1 dozen equal to how many things, then that will be the answer of this question. And we have already know that 1 dozen equal to 12 things, and that 12 is the answer. That means Meena bought 12 oranges. Okay. Question number 21. 400 paisa make how many taka? That means gap. We need to fill in the blank. Okay. We know that 100 paisa make 1 taka. Similar way, 200 paisa make 2 taka. 300 paisa make 3 taka. 400 paisa make 4 taka. 500 paisa make 500 taka. But the question asks you to find 400 paisa make how many taka? 400 paisa make 4 taka. So here 4 taka. Next question number 23. What comes between 90 and 92? My dear students, 1, 2 and 3. Here notice 2 is the between number of 1 and 3. Similar way, we need to find out the middle number of 90 and 92. So notice, what is the next number of 90? Next number of 90 is 91. So, and the next number of 90 is 92. But we need to find out the between number of 90 and 92. And the answer will be 91. So, 91 is the between number of 90 and 92. And the answer will be 91. Okay. So, my dear students, our next question. Notice, how many wings do 3 birds have? My dear students, how many wings? A birds have how many wings? A birds have 2 wings. Similar way, 3 birds have how many wings? 3 birds have 6 wings. So, 3 2s are 6. So, we write here 6 as the answer, because we know 3 birds have 6 wings. And our last one, question number 26. My dear student, notice, take away 13 from 23. Take away, that means we subtract 13 from 23. Now we subtract. Take away means subtract. We subtract 13 from 23. Now we subtract 3 from 3, we get 0. We subtract 1 from 2, we get 1. So 10 is the required answer. Okay. So if I take 13 from 23, then the answer will be 10. Okay. I hope you have understood, dear students. Okay. So, my dear students, this is my today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Okay, my dear students, you must do your assigned class from YouTube. Okay, so don't neglect this, and you will be provided assignment soon from the school authority. Okay, so my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.